Welcome to CoachCut. My name is Sandis and I am CEO and co-founder of CoachCut. Today I will show you everything you need to know to get started with the CoachCut. How to upload the clips, cut them, edit them, and even record the clips. So first you will open the CoachCut app and you will end up in the login screen where you need to enter your email and password. After that, after you have been logged in, you will end up in the projects folder where we are at right now, and you here can see already I have some projects and games analyzed. For you, if it's your first sign up, it will be empty, so we'll start clicking this plus button and we'll select a video and we can name it my first game. Then we can choose the keybind preset. Let's try, I will go with hockey. And here we can see we have keybinds already. We can edit them or delete some of the keybinds right now before we start the project, but let's do it after we start editing. First couple seconds, let's wait for the clip to initialize, load. And the clip has been, not the clip, game has been loaded. So already, let's turn the sound down. We don't want to hear the crowd cheering for the team, so I want to analyze the game in the piece, so yeah, the game is going. Here we can see all our keybinds as well as here in the left corner. Hopefully my face is not covering it. Let's start with the we'll just delete some. I don't need this one, and this one, and we'll try to add some new. Let's say A is gonna be, and category will be face off. That's a quick way how we add new keybinds, and we can even change the color of it, how it's gonna represent itself. We can also just change the name of the keybind. Let's say power play, even though I think we have it. No, we deleted it. And now we can add with, I try to add goals with G. G is already taken as power play, so I have to use some other keybind. Let's use P and let's name it goals. That's how you work with keybinds. And when you have created like your perfect keybind set, you can, let's name it my perfect keybinds, and we can save it. And now when you will start new projects, you will be able to select this your keybind set that you already have created before, so you don't have to do this every time. But yeah, I suggest to change it it depends on your style, how you work. Okay, we have our keybinds. Here we can see the categories we have created. There's nothing here yet since we haven't created the clips. So let's start watching the game. And let's click the button, let's say for defensive zone, that's D. And as you can see, we have created defensive zone clip. And by clicking on it, we can go back to the clip. By default, clips are 15 seconds long, and we can change that in the settings here. As you see, 7.5 seconds back and 7.5 seconds forward. Let's change it to 10. I need clips to be 10 seconds long. Let's go forward in the game and press D again. As you can see, the clip is shorter now. We can also change the clip length by doing this. Also, we can make the clip longer, and we can zoom in the timeline by holding Control plus mouse wheel up or down. That's how we manage the timeline. Let's make this clip a little bit longer. Yeah, we have two defensive zone clips. And let's just go forward in the game and let's add turnover. Yeah, perfect. Now we have 3 clips and we're gonna work with them. So now we can change the name of these clips. I will name mistake in D zone, the turnover clip. And this clip, I will leave it like that. Now, next option is we can export these clips, this clip of 15 seconds, and download it immediately on our computer. So here you can see the check marks. That's selecting clips active or non-active. Let's deactivate these defensive zone clips. We have this turnover clip, and let's hit export. Let it quickly work. in the background, hop, and we have opened the clips projects folder in our CoachCut folder. Let's go to turnovers, and here is it, our clip turnovers mistake in D zone. Yep, I will mute the sound, and here it is. Perfect. And that's how you work in cutter mode. We could also export all these clips. It might take a little bit longer than it was with just one clip, so be patient. Next, let's select all these clips active. No, let's try it. I will have one clip active only. And we go to present mode. Wait a 1 second, 2 seconds to load up the present mode. And here we are in the present mode, but we have only one clip here. That's because we only selected one active clip. So we select all these 3 clips that we want to be active, so they are also appear in present mode. Let's click C, or we can also click here, but it's easier to use keyboard, and we can see all our clips here. Let's start with defensive zone. Let's pause it, and with tab we can see what drawing tools we have, and yeah, we can click on them to use them like this, but I would suggest to learn these and memorize them. There are the keybinds for them, and let's clear it by R, and just using like U, W, E is for arrow, and B is for curve, and Control Z we can undo, and redo is Control Y. So pretty simple. And also just clicking here we can change the color, but the best way is probably to hide these, erase, and then use the drawing and erase, and we can run the clip or we can pause it. Let's say like this, and the lines stay, but let's clean them up and pause the clip. In the settings, we can also, for present mode, choose to play next click automatically or not. Currently, it's selected yes for me, enabled. And also, for next functionality, we choose our microphone. And next thing is we can use record. Let's try to record. Let's start the clip from the beginning. Let's click record. You can see up on your screen that it's recording. Let's play it. Pause it, and I will draw some things on it and play it, erase it, and I will stop it. And as you can see here, we have Pixie Capture. Open the file, and here is what we just recorded, our screen, and also our microphone is picked up. We can leave the comments for the players, we can draw and quickly send the clip to the team or to the player to improve our learning experience. Let's close this, and this is the present mode. Let's go back to cutter mode. Here we can save our project, so when we close it and open up again, remember sometimes to press Ctrl S or save the project so we can pick up where we left. This opens your project folder. You can see projects. I have game analysis, my new project. This was my first game. You can see clips. Here's my turnover clip. And in downloads we will find the recorded clip that we recorded in the present mode. Here you can switch back to projects, start new project, delete some projects, and yeah, basically that's it. Hopefully I covered most of it, and feel free to message us at info@coachcut.app or me personally at sandus@coachcut.app, and I will be happy to answer your questions or listen to your suggestions or ideas.